Mastering It's, the unsung hero of possessive determiners. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to unravel one of the subtler aspects of English grammar, the possessive determiner, it's. Possessive determiners are vital in English language because they help us express ownership or belonging. While it's might seem simple, it holds a unique position among its counterparts like my, your, his, her, our, and their. So, let's delve into the details and master it's today. It's is a possessive determiner we use for non-human entities and animals when we want to indicate that something belongs to them. Unlike his or her, it's doesn't tell us anything about gender. It's gender neutral. It's important to remember that it's doesn't include an apostrophe, unlike it's, which is a contraction of it is or it has. Example: the cat chased its tail. Here, it's refers to something the cat possesses, its tail. When should we use it's? Well, whenever we want to indicate possession or belonging to a single entity that is not a person. This could be an animal, a company, a car, a country, a concept, or an idea. Anything that isn't human. Example: the company increased its profits this year. In this example, it's refers to the profits that belong to the company. A common mistake with it's is confusing it with its. Remember, it's is a contraction of it is or it has, while it's is a possessive determiner indicating ownership or belonging. Incorrect. The dog wagged its tail. Correct. The dog wagged its tail. Now, it's time for some exercises to solidify our understanding. Fill in the blanks with it's or its in the following sentences. 1. The bird is in blank nest. 2. Blank, going to rain today. 3. The country is proud of blank cultural heritage. 4. Blank, not as easy as it looks. The answers are 1. It's. 2. It's. 3. It's. 4. It's. And that wraps up our discussion on the possessive determiner, it's. Hopefully, now you have a clearer understanding of how and when to use it's in your English sentences. Remember, mastering small details like these can significantly improve your English language proficiency. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more exciting grammar lessons. Happy learning!